Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel and I am here with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to explore how these two solenoids work together to optimize hydraulic performance, enhance fuel efficiency, and provide precise control over the excavator's operation. These two solenoids named PC-EPC and LS-EPC. You also watch this video, and after watching this video you will understand where these solenoids are situated. So viewers, this one is a Koamtsu PC400 Excavator hydraulic pump. Here are the two pumps. This one is a front pump and this is our rear pump. And here I want to show you this one. This is our LS-EPC solenoid, and this one, your middle of both pumps. This one is our PC-EPC solenoids. So this I am going to talk about these two solenoids. Okay, by using the PowerPoint slides, I will describe both solenoids. Okay, these solenoids are located at the hydraulic pump of Koamtsu PC400 excavators. So viewers, you watch the video and then the videos. Hope you have watched where the LS-EPC and PC-EPC solenoid are located. So now we are going to describe the function of these solenoids in the Koamtsu PC400 excavator. So first of all, we start from the LS-EPC solenoid. The LS-EPC mean load sensing electronic proportional control solenoid. So functionality, what are the functions of this solenoid? First one, adjust the hydraulic flow based on real-time load conditions. Number two, it enhances fuel efficiency by optimizing engine output. What are the benefits of these solenoids? Smoother the operation and reduce wears on the hydraulic components. Activation time, mean at what time this solenoid start work. The LS-EPC solenoid activates when the system detects a change in load demand from the hydraulic system. It adjusts the hydraulic flow to match the load requirement. What is the purpose? To maintain optimal hydraulic pressure and flow based on the load. Number two, prevents unnecessary energy loss by reducing hydraulic flow during low load conditions. Condition of activations. Number one condition, during the operation of the boom, arm, bucket or swing when load demand changes. Number two, when the precise control of hydraulic pressure is required based on the operator's action. Operator action. So now we will discuss about PC-EPC solenoid. PC-EPC mean pump control electronic proportional control solenoid. What is the function of this solenoid? Provides precise control of hydraulic flow and pressure. Number two, it allows for proportional response to the operator input. Benefit, increase accuracy in tasks such as digging and grading. Activation timing. The PC-EPC solenoid activate to control the hydraulic pump displacement based on the engine speed and hydraulic load. What's the purpose? To balance the engine power with hydraulic pump output. Number two, to prevent overloading the engine by reducing the pump displacement during high demand. What are the conditions of activation? Number one, when the pump displacement needs to be reduced or increased based on the engine power availability. Number two, during heavy digging, lifting, or simultaneous multifunctions operation where high hydraulic pressure is needed. Now we will see the difference between the LS-EPC and PC-EPC. So what is the difference between them? So first one is the control methods. So what is the difference in control method? LS-EPC is load sensing and PC-EPC pump control. Efficiency. LS-EPC optimizes based on the load and PC-EPC respond to operators input. Application. Where is application? LS-EPC journal hydraulic efficiency and PC-EPC precision task. So these are the difference between these two solenoids. So what is the importance of these solenoids? First importance is that both solenoids contribute to overall efficiency of the excavator. Number two, operation saving, fuel saving and reduce maintenance cost lead to the better profitability. So thanks for watching this video. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget like, share and subscribe for more content on heavy machinery.